Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use Parental control in Peacock. So basically, to use the Parental control in Peacock TV, you first of all need to make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that the app is updated to the latest version. Now here, Peacock's Parental control are managed through profile settings or on a web browser, not directly in the TV app, and involves setting the specific maturity ratings for each profile and 4-digit pin for an adult. Now what you need is you have to access Peacock from your profile. So open up your Peacock app from your profile or just go to Peacock website on a computer or your device, and you just want to go ahead and choose add plus. Click on the plus or add new avatar options, choose the avatar and select yes. When asked if it is a kid profile, this automatically restricts TV or PGs below as well. So as you could see, if I open up my application and sign into my account, if I click on the plus button and then go ahead and click on the add button, now then you could click on the profile, and here if you go to enable kids at the bottom, then you could see or set a name, and this way you'll be able to automatically set or use parental control in Peacock TV. So that's how things are done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.